for apple, A for onto, it's B for ball, B for bird, double, C for cat, C for car, road, D for dog, D for drum, E for elephant, E for ecto, F for fish, F for flower, so G for goat, G for great sword, H for hat, H for horse, too. A, B, C, sing with me, learning letters, 1, 2, 3, soft and slow, take your time, sing along with this sweet rhyme. I for igloo, I for ice cooled, J for jump, J for jelly boo, K for kite, K for kangaroo, L for leaf, L for lion, M for moon, M for monkey dude, N for nest, N for night too, O for octopus, O for orange good, P for piano, P for penguin blue. A, B, C, sing with me, learning letters, 1, 2, 3, soft and slow, take your time, sing along with this sweet rhyme. Q for queen, Q for quilts, R for rain, R for rabbit do, S for star, S for sun hose, T for train, T for turtle do, U for umbrella, U for unicorn do, V for violin, V for Van Gogh do, W for whale, W for window, X for X-ray, X for xylophone do, Y for yawn, Y for yo-yo-mo, Z for zebra, Z for zigzag do. Now we've learned our ABCs, sing along with this sweet rhyme.